I have been using this Face Fat Bright and Clear face cream and I have some thoughts. Does it really brighten the skin? Let's find out. Hi beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Loria and on this channel we are all about beauty, motherhood and a little bit of lifestyle. This is the Face Fat Bright and Clear face cream and here are some of the key ingredients: azelaic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, tranexamic acid. I'm going to be sharing with you the disadvantages and the advantages of these key ingredients. I got this face cream for the price of 6,500 in my local market where I usually buy my skincare products. I got it for the price of 6,500 naira, and this comes in 75 ml. This cream is actually a lightweight face cream. This is a lightweight face cream that is not thick at all. Like, it absorbs into the skin really fast. It's a little bit moisturizing. For me, I feel like this face cream is mostly used as a treatment face cream because of all the active ingredients in it. So the first key ingredient is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid helps to fight dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It has antibacterial properties that helps to reduce acne causing bacteria. It also helps to unclog your pores, which means it's actually an exfoliating face cream. For the disadvantages, it may peel or dry out your skin, and also it takes weeks to show noticeable improvements. Key ingredient is kojic acid. You already know, if you have been hearing kojic acid, you already know that one of the advantages of kojic acid is to help to fight hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin, because it actually helps to reduce melanin production on your skin, okay, which in turn helps to fight hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It helps in exfoliating your skin, which also helps to improve your skin texture over time. Now, for the disadvantages of kojic acid. Kojic acid can cause redness, burning and sensitivity, right? Another disadvantage of kojic acid is it makes your skin to be more sensitive to the sun. So if you know you are using this product and you know you are going outside, trust me, get a sunscreen. Make sure you apply a generous amount of sunscreen before you expose your skin to the sun, because this can actually make your skin to be more sensitive to the sun. Moving on to the next key ingredient is niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to reduce dark spots, it helps in oil production, it helps with acne, redness and sensitive skin. Disadvantages of niacinamide is it can cause skin purging. It may cause skin breakouts in some people when they use it for the first time. It can also cause redness and irritation, especially if you get products that contain like 10% niacinamide, okay, upwards. It can actually cause irritation and redness on your skin. Tranexamic acid is a hyperpigmentation fighter. Like, this one works really well. If you get a product that contains tranexamic acid, it will take your hyperpigmentation to the next level. What I mean is, it will treat your hyperpigmentation really fast. It also pairs well with other brightening ingredients like vitamin C. It also helps in your skin barrier. It helps to strengthen your skin barrier. Some of the disadvantages of tranexamic acid is it takes weeks or even months before you can see visible skin improvements. It can also cause some mild irritation. When I got this first cream, I was using it morning night. When I use it on my face during the day, I will, apply my sunscreen and go out. So after like some weeks, I noticed that my face was getting darker. And I was like, what is going on? Why is my face getting darker? So people will even say, your face is getting darker. What is going on? What are you using on your face? I found out that kojic acid is actually one of the reasons why my face is getting darker, because whenever you apply kojic acid and you don't apply a very generous amount of sunscreen on your face before going out, it can really make your skin to get darker. It can actually make your face to get darker, okay, because your skin will be more sensitive to the sun. When you expose your skin to the sun, when you're applying this particular product, trust me, your skin will be darker. And I traced back and I found out that during the time I was using this face cream on my face during the day, I usually go out a lot that time. I was so busy. I always go out almost every day. So I found out that it's this particular face cream that was making my face to be darker. So what did I do? I stopped using it during the day. Okay, I now use it at night. And when I did it for like 2 weeks, trust me, my face, the complexion came back to normal. My face became brighter. Okay, so I switched to using it only at night, and I don't use it every day. I use it like 4 times in a week. So I thought, because it has niacinamide and it has kojic acid, to just brighten my face without causing any any hyperpigmentation or whatever. But if you don't know the right way to use this face cream, trust me, your face will be darker. It will look as if you are just wasting time. So if you want to really get the best results, if you know you're always indoors, you're not going outside during the day, you can actually use it. Like today, I'm inside, I'm indoors. Sorry, I'm sweating. Oh God, they just took the light, and I have to complete this video. So if you know that if you know that you're always indoors during the day, you can actually use this face cream during the day. But if you know that you're going out of your house, please, I advise you don't use it. Or even if you want to use, make sure you use a lot of sunscreen and cover your face. Use your face cap, your pocket hat, your sunshade. If not, your face will get darker. Okay, so I use it mostly at night. But if you know you want to really get the most benefit of this product, please use it at night. Use it as add it to your nighttime skincare routine. Okay. When it comes to brightening your skin, making your face to glow, this face cream is really good. Okay. It's really good. It's just for you to know the right way to use it. I love the texture of this face cream. It is lightweight. It's good on the skin. It absorbs into your skin. It moisturizes your skin, but it's not too moisturizing. Okay. And it's a 75 ml product in here, and I really love this and I love this face cream so much. I love it, and I'll still buy it again. I see it as an exfoliating face cream. When it comes to irritation, it did not irritate my skin. It did not cause any purging. The only thing I found out is my skin got darker because I was using it during the day, and my skin was always exposed to the sun during the day. Okay, that was the only thing I noticed about this face cream. So I stopped using it during the day, and I switched to using it at night only. But days that I'm not going out, I'll use it during the day. If I'm sure I'm not going out, I'll use it during the day. But if I know I'm going out, I'll not use it during the day. Okay, so yeah, that is everything about this face cream. Let me know if you have tried this face fat bright and clear face cream. Let me know your thoughts about this face cream in the comment section. We are here to learn together. Did it get the job done for you? For me, it actually helps to brighten my skin after I figured out everything about it. Okay, so yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this face cream. And will I be buying it again? Yes, I'll definitely buy this face cream again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will learn a thing or two in this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'm bringing to you on this channel. Do all that good stuff, comment, share. And I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.